Using camera control on iPhone 16 is an essential feature that allows you to take full control of your camera settings, enabling you to capture high-quality photos and videos. To access camera control, open the Settings app and scroll down to Camera. Tap on Camera and you will see the camera control option. Tap on it to enable the feature. Once enabled, you can access camera control by going to the Camera app and tapping on the arrow icon at the top of the screen. This will open the camera control menu, where you can adjust settings such as exposure, contrast, and saturation. You can also switch between different camera modes, including photo, video, portrait, and more. To adjust exposure, tap on the exposure icon and use the slider to increase or decrease the brightness of your image. You can also use the AF lock feature to lock the exposure and focus on a specific area of the image. In addition to exposure, you can also adjust the contrast and saturation of your image. Tap on the edit icon and use the sliders to increase or decrease the contrast and saturation. Another key feature of camera control is the ability to switch between different camera modes. Tap on the mode icon and select from a range of options, including photo, video, portrait, and more. For example, if you want to take a portrait photo, tap on the portrait mode icon and the camera will automatically adjust the settings to capture a portrait photo with a blurred background. Best practices for using camera control include experimenting with different settings to find what works best for your specific scene, and using the AF lock feature to lock the exposure and focus on a specific area of the image. By following these steps and tips, you can take full control of your camera settings and capture high-quality photos and videos with your iPhone 16. Remember to practice and experiment with different settings to get the most out of your camera.